Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, May 28th. Happy last day of first grade. Can you believe this day is already here? I certainly can't. I wish we were all together, but I'm so excited to have picnics with lots of you today and tomorrow. It has been an absolute joy teaching all of you, and I love you all so much. I miss you tons, so please come say hi when we get back to school. Enjoy your summer and congratulations on making it through such a crazy year. Love, Miss Rimride. P.S. Don't forget to come to Park Terrace on Friday, June 5th for a drive-through parade. So if you come to the parade, you get to wave to all of the teachers and staff at the school, and all of the first grade teachers are going to be wearing red. So make sure you guys come, drive by from 4 to 4:30, and make sure to wave to us, okay? For your greeting today, it's actually going to be a goodbye. So you can go on to Flipgrid and you can leave a goodbye message for all of your classmates, okay? For sharing, you can comment on our post and share if you're going to do anything fun to celebrate the last day of school. If you guys have plans or if you're going to have special dinner or do a special bike ride or something, I'd love to hear about your plans. And for your activity, have a dance party with your family. This is a really exciting day. You guys made it through first grade, and this was a really, really weird year. You guys made it through extended flexible learning. You rocked it by doing all your learning from home and being so flexible and amazing. So I'm just super, super proud of you guys. I really wish I could be at school with all of you guys today. So congratulations. You should be so proud of yourself. And I can't wait to see a lot of you at the picnics. Awesome job this year, friends. I'll miss you so much. And I hope you have an amazing summer.